Alright YouTube, it's your boy Alex Trains Chest back here for another video. It is a beautiful sunny day here in San Diego. It's a little bit hot, but it's the perfect day to go learn how to do some welding with one of my good buddies from the company I used to work for. He's also an engineer. He was really nice enough to put together a little instructional session on how to MIG weld. Now, welding is something I've always wanted to learn how to do. I've always had a ton of ideas of random things that I've wanted to make, and I'm really appreciative of my friend for showing me or taking the time to put together a little lesson and show me the ropes. So I'm driving over there right now, and yeah, I'll check in with you guys over there. What's going on? This is my buddy Lee right here. Him and I used to work together at a previous company before. He's going to teach me some welding, and actually I wanted to tell you guys, this guy is the one who actually inspired me to first start making fitness videos, because he was asking me all these questions about fitness stuff, and I was like, hey, I've been wanting to make videos for a while, why don't I just put one together for him? So the first fitness video I ever made was actually for you.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Nice. So anyway, we're gonna get into some instruction right now.
We learn. I have no idea how long this is gonna take, but I'm hoping we're done in a couple hours.
So we might not get through all this, but I've got piece 1, piece 2, and then just tack,
Exactly.
just to hold it in place. So, tack, and then just what is that? This.
Exactly.
Basically.
Exactly.
Okay, sweet.
Right. The effective result of a tack weld at a joint is that the structure contracts toward that location. It doesn't expand from there. So you use that to your advantage, but you also kind of have to work with that too when you're putting things together. And tack welds not only holds things together. Well, I mean, it holds things together, but if you made a mistake, it's easy to knock the tack away and then do it again.
Basically, tack, but then hand manipulation is this.
Exactly. So let's say here is the gap. So you're tracing the molten metal to the E, and then the next time you trace, you do a little overlap. I would say between 25% to 50% overlap. The more technical term is gas metal arc welding. So here is the spool of welding wire, and this is where electricity conducts.
Okay.
And on the bottom of this panel is a chart that shows you for old 25-inch wire and what gauge you're welding, what's your voltage setting and wire speed setting as a baseline reference. 75% argon, 25% CO2 shielding gas.
And by the way, guys, that's right there is why it's called inert gas. As you guys know, argon, xenon, krypton, all those are non-reactive gases, so that it doesn't basically explode on you when you
Exactly. That's right. Unlike oxyacetylene processes, which is welding next to a bomb.
Lee right here is a family man. We don't want daddy getting hurt.
You need shielding gas because molten metal oxidizes to atmosphere and it creates porosity.
So for all you aspiring engineers out there, yeah, don't get porosity in your welds. That leads to really bad stress concentrations. Your weld will not be strong.
So how it works is your machine, and then your gun is part of the circuit, and then you have a ground clamp.
Don't forget about that ground clamp.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're not really doing much welding.
You'll be the ground.
And so to complete the circuit, when you put your gun down, and there's a certain distance I'll teach you later. Okay, and you depress the trigger. The machine has a reel that pushes the welding wire through the hose. Shielding gas. When you depress the trigger, your shielding gas comes out milliseconds before the electricity starts to conduct. The wire gets close enough, you get an arc like a lightning bolt, right? And so that arc heats up the parent material and it melts it. It also melts the wire itself, so that molten metal comes in and it creates your it starts fusing together, and then this process repeats and repeats, and that's what characterizes the noise that comes out of a welding process, which sounds like sizzling bacon.
And the arc is like really freaking bright, right? That's why you have to wear a mask, otherwise you'll burn your eyes out.
It's called retina burn. I mean, they say it feels like sand in your eyes, but you can never get rid of it. I've heard guys waking up in the middle of the night screaming of pain.
Yeah, so wear protective gear, which we're gonna look at.
So this is yours. This is solar powered. I'm guessing photovoltaic cells, but these two things are arc sensors. Very important. They detect
like
an arc,
when there's an arc,
and then within milliseconds it auto dims for you.
Oh, that's sick.
So I love Lincoln Electric. They're great. This is a $60 helmet. This is a like $260 helmet.
Oh wow.
And the viewfinder is way larger.
Yes.
There's a test button where you push it, and then you can see that it auto dims.
Oh sweet. Wait, do that again. Oh nice.
I'll turn it on. You can see it, and then
Oh sweet.
yeah. So it works.
So what happens if like it doesn't, like for whatever reason it just doesn't work and it doesn't shade? Then you just get your eyes messed up?
Then
like,
you will get retina burn. Absolutely.
Oh.
And yeah, and this is your bandana because embers will go into your head.
What's going on, Issy? This one in the center looks pretty bad.
Yeah.
But oh man, I think I might be addicted to something new. This is fun, man.
I would rate yours better than mine. Probably a 9.
You guys saw that Lee actually rated mine 2 grades higher than his. I got a 9, he's got a 7. Good morning, guys. I hope you enjoyed that introduction to MIG welding. That was a ton of fun. I'm super excited to go back over there and do some more welding. So we're probably gonna have to we decided we're gonna break this up into 2 videos, that first one, and then the second one will actually be making some actual structural joints and stuff like that, and we'll make the joints, we'll cut them open, we'll show the difference between a good weld, a bad weld, and then we'll also do some kind of destructive testing. We'll talk a little bit about how it breaks, what is the type of failure that you want to see to indicate that you got a good weld, etc. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So last night I landed here in my hometown and just playing with my parents' cats a minute ago. Sometimes I can get the gray cat named Storm to meow back at me. Wow. Wow. But he wasn't feeling it this morning. So anyway, I'm gonna head over to Planet Granite Sunnyvale. That is the first gym that I ever started climbing at, not the first gym I ever started working out at. And yeah, I'm probably gonna do some rehab stuff, core exercises, maybe some really easy leg exercises, some like non-weighted hip thrusts, some lunges and stuff like that. And then I think I'm gonna train chest and triceps today, possibly get some climbing footage as well.